The struggle for freedom was the struggle for self-rule. It was after sustained struggles, movements and sacrifices that Indians got the right to self-rule in 1935, which was an important step towards our freedom. It was due to the right to manage provincial governance derived from the Government of India Act of 1935 that provincial elections were held in 1937. The people of India reposed their faith in Congress in the first ever provincial elections and put aside all communal propaganda and division to ensure Congress won 707 seats. This way, the Congress emerged as the largest party which formed governments in 7 out of 11 provinces, with the support and trust of the people of the country. This trust and support by the people was earned by the Congress due to the fierce struggle for independence. Congress only formed the provincial governments after it was assured by the British of no undue interference by the Governor-General. The Congress party was adamant it would not breach the trust of the people by changing its stance on self-rule. This was the reason why Congress resigned from all provincial governments when the British forced India into World War II without consulting the elected Indian governments. There was no question of compromising on the pride of the nation while fighting for its independence. However, in spite of this, there were some political parties that were so desperate for power, they remained in the provincial governments and thus weakened India's struggle for freedom. The results of the provincial election had made it clear that it was the Congress who will be acting as the catalyst for development of independent India. The provincial election results were also a hint towards the downfall of the British rule and the rise of a democratic India. Today, those same democratic values are being crushed, voices are being gagged. Farmers are being called Khalistanis and terrorists for demanding their rights. It is our collective duty to protect our democracy and repose faith in our nation and people. Jai Hind.